All right, so this is the Jade Green and Royal Indigo card. It's 50,000 CRO to stake for right now. Next month it'll be 4,000 US dollars, which is actually cheaper, as right now it would cost you 7,306. Obviously, you have to choose what price of CRO do you want to get in at. It is quite more expensive though, so you might not have that extra 3,000. So you might not have the choice. So you'd rather just wait till it lowers by $3,000. So this debit card offers 3% cash back paid in CRO and 100% back on Spotify and Netflix paid in CRO. And this debit card is metal, and it also gives you airport lounge access, which I actually did have the chance to try out, but I decided not to at the time. So I'm actually going to be linking a video down in the description of this other YouTuber who shows and explains the process of it, and it'll be this video of Astaria. I think he's a Crypto.com ambassador, so he kind of explains it and everything. It's a short video. I liked it. So yeah, definitely go check that out. He explains it well. I don't really think I need to do anything with that. And so it's honestly pretty easy to set up as well. The airport lounge access for lounge key, I set it up on my mobile phone, and you just go to the airport after you sign up yourself, and make sure you bring your debit card, of course. Make sure you have funds in it. This is one thing about the airport lounge access. You do need $3.25 on your card, and by the end of the month, Crypto.com will reimburse you in your fiat wallet. So that's the difference with airport lounge access. They do give you back your funds, as they just need to charge your card to make sure it's active and working. And Crypto.com just doesn't pay you in CRO for the $3.25. They just bring it back to you. They either put it in your fiat wallet or they put it back on your actual debit card by the end of the month. So that's a little interesting fact for airport lounge access. So make sure you have funds on it. So other than that, I'll definitely be using it next time I go to the airport though. So it's no fee ATM monthly withdrawals $800 US dollars and 2% thereafter, and the interbank exchange rate is 10,000 US dollars monthly, 0.5% thereafter. And so now that I got all that out of the way, I want to mention the less obvious perks. I already mentioned how the airport lounge access key works and stuff like that, and I'll have a video link for you guys as well. But other than that, there's even some other less obvious things to talk about with this debit card of the perks that you get. So so if you go over to Crypto.com earn, we can see on this section that when we stake 50,000 CRO, you actually get 2% more in interest for supported coins and stable coins. So with 5,000 or less CRO stake, it's these amounts: 10%, 8, 6, 1.5, 3, 4.5. And then as you can see, it goes up by 2% on every single one of them, other than CRO. That stays the same for 2, 4, and 6. So if you already knew that, though, then I even have another perk that you might not be aware of. So you'll actually receive 2 times the amount of CRO cash back when buying gift cards when paying with CRO and Crypto.com Pay. You can actually get up to 10% cash back paid in CRO. And if you decide to stake for the Jade Green or Royal Indigo when the staking requirements change, well, 4,000 US dollars for the Jade Green and Indigo is still over 10,000 CRO, as you will actually need 10,000 CRO staked or higher to receive the higher cash back on these gift cards. And a lot of people forget or don't know about Crypto.com gift cards due to it being kind of hidden on the home menu in the Crypto.com Pay. You click, or at the very top, like a little thing that just says Pay. So it's kind of hidden. It's not that obvious. And I'm personally always forgetting about it. But ever since I made a few videos on it and stuff and talk about it, I haven't really forgot about it ever since. But as we can see, I made a video talking about it on February 16th. And we can see that with Crow staking, you get 5% cash back, and then paid in CRO. And as you can see, you need the 10,000 or more. It can be, I just consider it for, this could be in Earn or the exchange or the Crypto.com app. But if you are getting the Jade Green or Royal Indigo, then you'll receive this benefit as well, as the in-app card staking counts for the cash back. And this is where 4,000, currently it's that much CRO, so I really don't think it's gonna lower to 10,000. But I don't know. Anyways, even if it did, you need at least minimum 10,000. So that's all the perks for the Jade Green and Royal Indigo. The airport lounge access and how that works, and the Crypto.com earn, and also the gift cards. Those are the three main things that people forget on the benefits that they get, that are their utility that's increased of getting higher cashback and better benefits with this card. They don't realize that they're getting that. So definitely try taking advantage of everything. And one last thing, I can't believe I almost forgot this. You also get 10% interest paid out weekly with this card. I think it might show in the app when you click to upgrade that you receive that, but I definitely think they should add it to their website, because nowhere does it say you get 10% back. Oh, and it's on your card's stake. So if you're staking 50,000 CRO, which is we can see again, $7,246, you're getting 10% paid out weekly per annual on this amount. So that can also be the benefit to getting the card now compared to waiting till when it gets cheaper, because as we can see in Crypto Earn, you cannot earn 10% on your CRO. The only way you can do that is your card stake. And with Crypto Earn, you could deposit as much CRO as possible, or like not necessarily, but a lot of CRO. I'll go into more details in the next video that talks about Crypto.com Earn deposits and how much you can actually put into it as it relates to the Icy White, Rose Gold, and Obsidian Black. But some people prefer to get the 10% interest on this amount of US dollars compared to waiting till it's, getting 10% interest on that amount, right? So it's really up to you. Obviously, it's either a choice, or if you don't have the money for the current price, or I don't know what you guys are gonna do, but that's all the perks, that's all the stuff. The decision is left for you to decide whether or not you're going to get the card now, if you want to earn the more interest, or if it's not affordable, so you're going to wait for the $4,000 one, or stake 50,000 CRO, or it's up to you. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something new with either the 10% interest, the staking benefits for earned getting increased, and the Crypto.com gift cards. Hopefully that was news to you. If not, then that's good that you know about that, because a lot of people don't. So you can also help educate people out there on Reddit and newbies as well that keep joining Crypto.com as of recently. So I'll see you guys later in the next video.